Hello all. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have done with the modeling over here. So now in this tutorial, we are going to start with the texturing. So we are going to unwrap this part over here. So let's go into this and take a modifier called unwrap UVW. Let's go into this, take a polygon, select this polygons, go into this, just select this, go to the top view, remove all of this polygons over here, go into the front view over here, select this, make sure you're only selecting the side part. We don't need any other part to be selected, so make sure you're only selecting that particular part. So once you're done with this, so what we'll be doing over here is like, let's go down, we'll go into this projection, take a projection as Y, and let's go into this and say quick planar map, open UV editor. So what I have done is I have generated this. I'll just push this out over here. Now same thing, will be selecting the front part, excluding this again, we'll be selecting this front part, just select the front part over here, go into this, go down, projection, so we'll keep it as a X projection. Make sure you are unselecting the areas which are really not required, and give as quick planar map, open UV editor. So I think the other part is also selected, so we need to take care of it. So we have not selected this, so again select this, again go into this polygons, so go into this again, there are many chances that some parts are selected. So go into the projection X and quick planar map, open UV editor. So as you can see, I have just generated this out. Just scale this, just keep this over here. Now save your file again, select the other side over here, go to the top view, subtract this, projection Y, open UV editor, just push this over here, select this, push it out. This is on one side, this is on the other side. We will just keep this till here, and we'll go over here, the back side, select this, go into this again, X, quick planar map, open UV editor, okay. So this was just missed out. So again, quick planar map and take this over here. Now select this, scale it. So this is your back side, this is your front side. So we'll be just selecting this, take this, keep this, so select this all, so just push this out. So bottom one we are not going to select it definitely, but we are just going to select the stuff. Acha, we have not selected the top, so top will be just assigning a normal by just selecting the top faces. We'll be doing it. So for now we are just unwrapping these three sides, so we have not selected the top yet, but if you want you can just give on the top also. So it's better if we give on the top also. So let's go to the top, select the top, exclude this, exclude this, so just select this. We don't need this side for now. So what we can do over here is like we can just alt and subtract this. So it is definitely going to subtract all that stuff from down better. So go again into this plane, Z axis, and quick planar map, open UV editor, and let's just rotate this. So select this all, scale it, and just drag this inside. So we have unwrapped this stuff. So keep saving your files, keep saving your files over here and isolate this. So go into this. So tools, render UVW template, and we are going to assign what should be the size of the texture. We'll take it as 2048. by 2048. Render UVW template. Save it. Bogey UVs and save it in JPG. Click save. Okay. So it should go in the goods bogey, and let's just save this and click OK. So once you're done, now need to check it how it looks like. Go into material. Let's go into this diffuse and let's just assign the texture over here on top of it. So as you can see, if you just assign this, it is properly fitting this. So we have done the projection of this, the planar mapping, and the texture is perfectly fitting. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So in the coming tutorial, I'll be showing you how to paint the texture over there here in Photoshop. So thanks for watching.